హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మీ రాజేష్ తంతుల. ఈరోజు మనం ఎక్సైజ్ 7.1, 8, 9, 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. అయితే ముందుగా నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వారు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. 8th ప్రాబ్లం, ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ y ఫర్ విచ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద పాయింట్స్ p2, -3 అండ్ q10, y ఈజ్ 10 units. ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ద గివెన్ పాయింట్స్ అమ్మా. గివెన్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ p2, -3, okay, and q10, y. Okay, distance between 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2, that equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, clearly given that pq equals to 10 units. pq equals to 10 units. pq means square root of, so this is the x1 y1, this is x2 y2. x2 10 minus x1 2, 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus into minus plus y plus 3 whole square equals to 10. Okay, square on both sides. We get 10 minus 2 whole square, 8 square, plus y plus 3 whole square equals to 10 square. Square on both sides we get. Okay, so 8 square means 64 plus y plus 3 whole square equals to 10 square means 100 amma. Next y plus 3 whole square equals to 100 minus 64. y plus 3 whole square equals to 100 minus 64, 36. 100 minus 64 what amma? 36. So then y plus 3 equals to root 36 amma. y plus 3 equals to plus or minus 6. First y plus 3 equals to 6, y plus 3 equals to minus 6. y equals to 6 minus 3, 3 avutundi. Next y equals to minus 6 minus 3, that equals to minus 9. So therefore y equals to 3 or minus 9. Here asked find the value of y. So y value 3 or minus 9. Next, 9th problem. If q 0, 1 is equidistant from p 5, -3 and r x, 6, find the values of x. Also find the distances qr and pr. Okay, first write the given information. q 0, 1, p 5, -3, r x, 6. Okay, first write the q 0, 1 is equidistant from p of 5, -3 and r of x, 6. Okay, so that means so pq equal to qr. Hence by applying distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now find the pq. P x1 y1, q x2 y2. So pq 5 minus 0 whole square root of 5 minus 0 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square equal equal to QR amma x minus 0 whole square root of x minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square, square root of 5 square minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square equal to x square plus 5 square. 6 minus 1 5. Square on both sides amma, square on both sides 5 square plus minus 4 whole square 4 square equals to x square plus 5 square. 5 square cancel, that implies x square equals to 4 square, x equals to root 4 square, that means root 16 amma. So x value what amma, root 16 means plus or minus 4. Case 1, when point r what amma, x comma 6. So first we take 4 amma, so r is 4 comma 6. First find QR amma, square root of x2 4 minus x1 0, 4 minus 0 whole square, y2 6 minus 1 whole square, that equal to 4 square plus 5 square. 4 square value 16, 5 square value 25, root of 16 plus 25, root of 41. Okay, QR value root 41. Next find PR. PR equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 5 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square, that equal to 5 minus 4 1 square minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 whole square. 1 square value 1, 9 square value minus 9 whole square value 81, so that equal to root 82. So QR is root 41, PR is root 82. Next case 2 amma, case 2 Q 0 comma 1, R is minus 4 comma 6, P 5 comma minus 3. So x value first to take 4, QR is root 41, PR is root 82. X value take minus 4. Now find QR. QR equal to square root of minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 1 5 whole square minus 4 whole square 16 plus 5 square 25, so that equals to root 41. Next to PR equals to 5 minus into minus plus 5 plus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square, 5 plus 4 9 square plus minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 whole square, so that equal to root 81 plus 81, square root of 162. Therefore x value plus or minus 4, QR value both times root 41, PR value root 82, and root 162 or 9 root 2. Okay, root 162 also write 81 into 2, so 9 root 2. So x value plus or minus 4, QR value both times root 41, root 41. But PR value different amma. One time root 82, another time root 162. 162 also right, 9 root 2. Next question, find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Here given information, one point is 3 comma 6, another point is minus 3 comma 4. Both are equidistant to x comma y. Find the relation. Here asked find the relation. First, let the point P x comma y is equidistant from points A 3 comma 6 and B minus 3 comma 4. Therefore PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Write the distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First find PA. Square root of PA what? Px comma y. So x minus 3 whole square root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to square root of next PB x plus 3 whole square, x minus into minus plus x plus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 y minus 4 whole square. Both sides square roots are cancelled. Write remaining x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals to x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. A minus b whole square, expand x square minus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. Next y minus 6 whole square, y square minus 2 into y into 6 plus 6 square equal to a plus b whole square, x square plus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square, a square plus 2ab plus b square plus y minus 4 whole square, y square minus 2 into y into 4 plus 4 square. Left side x square, right side x square cancel, left side y square, right side y square cancelled. Minus 2 3 6 6x plus 3 square, 3 square means 3 into 3 9 minus 2 6s 12 12y plus 6 square equal to 36, that equal to 2 3 6 x 6x minus 2 4 8 8y plus 3 square value 9 plus 4 square value 60 minus 6x minus 12y plus 9 plus 36 45 equal to 6x minus 8y plus 9 plus 16 25. That implies all LHS terms transposing to RHS. Already RHS side 6x minus 8y plus 25 is there, minus 6x transposing RHS plus 6x minus 12y transposing RHS plus 12y plus 45 transposing RHS minus 45 equal to 0. 6x 6x both are positive, so 12x minus 8y plus 12y plus 4y plus 25 minus 45 minus 20 equal to 0. Here common 4 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Next 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 by 4. Hence the relationship 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Once again, let the point P x comma y is equidistant from points A 3 comma 6 and B minus 3 comma 4. Okay, equidistant means PA equal to PB. Distance formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First find PA, Px comma y, A 3 comma 6. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square root of. Next that equal to root of x minus into minus plus x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Both sides square roots cancel, write remaining and expand. X minus 3 whole square, x square minus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square, y minus 6 whole square expand, y square minus 2 into y into 6 plus 6 square equal to x plus 3 whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square plus y minus 4 whole square, y square minus 2 into y into 4 plus 4 square. X square, left hand side x square, right hand side x square cancelled, left hand side y square, right hand side y square is cancelled. Remaining minus 2 into x into 3 minus 6x plus 3 square 9 minus 2 into y into 6 minus 12y plus 6 square 36 equals to 2 into 3 into x 6x minus 2 into y into 4 minus 8y plus 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 minus 6x minus 12y, 9 plus 36 is 45, 6x minus 8y plus 9 plus 16 equals to 25. Now LHS terms, all LHS terms transposing to RHS. Already RHS 6x minus 8y plus 25 is there, minus 6x transposing RHS plus 6x, minus 12y transposing RHS plus 12y, plus 45 transposing RHS minus 45 equal to 0. 6x plus 6x 12x minus 8y plus 12y plus 4y plus 25 minus 45 minus 20 equal to 0. Here common 4 3's, so 3x, 4 1's, so 1y, 4 into minus 5 minus 20. Now transposing 4 to RHS, 0 by 4, 0 by 4 equal 0. 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Hence the relation between x and y is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. నా వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ మిత్రులు షేర్ చేయండి, ఇంకా మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.